Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is another plan with me in my Hobonichi weeks. Today we will be planning the week of October 15th through the 21st in my Hobonichi waffles from the Bow and Tie series, and we will be using the kit called Remains of the Day. This is our Halloween kit from the Halloween Bride collection, and this is the first page. These are the decos. You get the date cover-ups, side strip, and then strip sticker, checklist, strip sticker, a bunch of dots, some label stickers, the decos, and then the other page, the bottom bar, and two bottom bars, the left one and the right one, a bunch of decos, and then script stickers. This one is in the matte version, and the matte version has been recently available in the shop. Go ahead and grab them if you want. These are perfect for ballpoint pens, which I am coming back to, as well as gel pens. I still use my fountain pens, but I have been using them for my Hobonichi Cousin and A6. For my two Hobonichi kits, Hobonichi weeks, I have two. I have this, which is for my home, as well as shop, mostly shop, and the other Hobonichi weeks is for school, specifically just for school. So this paper is actually bleached white, and it's matte. It's a little bit stiffer than the glossy version. So the glossy paper is what we used to have, just that, and we just came out with this matte version. So if you're using the Hobonichi pen, this would be great for you, because this one has no dry time to wait, so no waiting time for drying. Okay, this is tricky, but I'm sure we can do it. Perfect. It has a little bit coming off there. I think I'm just gonna cut that. If I can find my scissors. Okay, I found this pretty scissors. I'm just gonna snip off the ends, and it's perfect. Now I'm gonna take my checklist. So this is a quick video, and I'm gonna put it down here at the end. So I'm gonna align it with the dot, the last dot of this page, and that's perfect. Oh my gosh, already looking so good in like 3 minutes. Now we're gonna take our script stickers. I'm gonna just put the weekend down, and then I'm gonna take my today and to do, put them where I've been putting them for the good part of this year. Today and to do over the checklist sticker. And then I'm gonna take my label stickers. I'm gonna put one over Saturday, which is new releases day. I'm gonna put this house on top. Oh, regrets. There we go. And then I'm gonna take the bride and put it down here. Ooh. Other side. There we go. That's pretty and scary. I'm gonna take the skull and put it on Tuesday, because I have things to do on Tuesday that's archaeology related, and I think that's perfect. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go to this page. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one of my pens. So this is my pen pouch from Eat, Plan, Love. This is a planner party that I attended last year. They are having another planner party on November 17th. And this has all my ballpoint pens and gel pens and felt tip pens. So basically any pen that is not fountain pen. I'm gonna take this pen. I'm gonna take also, I'm looking for a particular pen. Is it here? I don't think it's here. Uh-oh. I lost a pen, guys. Okay, hang on. I found it. So this is Micron, Pigma Micron, and I have 02 and 04. I'm gonna take 04, and I'm gonna take a ruler if I can find it. I don't know where my rulers went because I wanted an excavation, and I think I brought both of them, and they have not returned to this table. So I'm gonna take my really ugly ruler. So this is my really ugly old ruler, but it works as a ruler still. So I'm gonna take the good side, and I'm just gonna line it up here. Okay, can we do it? Yes. And then I'm gonna take it to the next side, and I'm hoping that it is all good. Awesome. So I've been segmenting the right side of the page according to how it is arranged on the left side for my other Hobonichi weeks, so my hedgehog, the one that I used for school. And it is working out so well, and I decided to do it for this Hobonichi weeks, which is the waffles. And I'm hoping that it's gonna keep me productive. Well, just organized. Because sometimes I get very overwhelmed and things come up. Things have been coming up out of nowhere lately. Like, for example, last week I wasn't able to post the videos because I was busy with an excavation. Hang on. Okay, up here. Almost screwed that up. I'll just cover it up with something. And that is it for the Pigma Micron. And then I'm going to take my gold sticker. Oops, let's put that away. And put it down here. But before that, I want to take another one of these Halloween themed stickers and put goals. And then I'm also going to take this flower, put it up here. That's fine. And then I'm going to pull up track sticker, put it down here, and then I'm going to take the bride, put them up here. And this one, the last deco, and put it up here also. And the last script sticker, which is notes. For this side. And actually, the page is done in under 10 minutes. So I'm going to take my Paper Mate Ink Joy Gel in 0.5, and I'm just going to write down the dates. I'm not going to bore you with what I'm planning to do for the week, but I am going to write down a few things. I think I have a few stickers left. Yeah. Okay. And this one is new releases. New releases. This might be a special release because I might be coming out with the calendar pages on this release on the 20th. So make sure to stock the website paperjoyph.com so that you are aware of when that would be. I'm going to put this label sticker up here because that day is a special day. I'm going to be meeting up with a friend. Ooh, you know what? I'm going to use another sticker from, hang on if I can find it. Like my table is a mess. You just can't see because I put it away from my filming table section of the table. So I have a big giant stash of whimsical cat because this is one of my favorite ones. So I'm just gonna choose a few to show you. Alright, so the whimsical cat stickers that I have pulled are these. So this is an upload sticker, like a study date sticker, a study sticker, and a film edit upload sticker. So I'm gonna use first this sticker. I'm gonna put it over here. I'm gonna write meeting someone. And then I'm not gonna do this for the entire week because that's gonna take too long. Gonna put this here. And then for home or for work, well, for the shop, I'm gonna put this here. Scary bits with cute bits. Just gonna put an arrow here and put nothing beside it. And then I'm gonna take my last label sticker, and then I'm gonna put that on. What else do I need to do? So this is class day, but that's not. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna put it down here. Yeah, I know it's covering up that bit there, but it's fine. Gonna use this little sticker here and completely cover up the 10 because I've already started doing that anyways. And then gonna put website. This is in preparation for new releases, and I'm gonna leave it at this. I think, okay, I'm gonna mark one more thing. Study on Thursday. And that's it. So this is what the page looks like. Let me go ahead and put this up against the iPad that I'm using to film so you can see all of it. Look at that bottom bar. Oh my gosh, that is pretty and scary at the same time. And that's it for us today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planner videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And of course, if you want to get yourself some Hobonichi Week sticker kit, like this is empty, I'm gonna save this bit here. Actually, you can cut it if you'd like, but I'm not gonna do that. There's no need for me. Put it right there. If you want that, if you want this, then go ahead and visit paperjoyph.com, where we have sticker kits for Hobonichi books, like all of them. And if you like some whimsical cat, I'm sure she's in Etsy. And I think she has her own website now. So if you want to grab her stuff, go ahead and visit her shop. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!